distinguished members of Erida TV, I welcome you once again to this tutorial. As I've told you to work on your teacher's profile, which is very important. In this session, I will not tackle how to go about teacher's profile. I have done something like this, and you can do something better than this. Okay, so make sure you design your teacher's profile, because you also be generating reports for the teacher's profile. So this is where we have stopped in our last lesson. This is where we have stopped. So we'll just come to create. So go to create. Okay, go to create. We have worked with table, form. So let's go to blank report. Okay. So right click and go to design view. Okay, this dev. So expand this. Now go to the report design and go to come here and insert a picture, the logo of the school. Okay, so select the logo of your school. So I'll use Erida logo. So this is the logo. This is the logo of the school. Now let's go for label. We'll do our first label here, which will tell us the name of the school. So this Erida. So this Erida. So come here, Erida IT Academy. Okay. So after that, you just click on it and go to format and increase the size. Make it don't bold it yet. Yeah, increase. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay. So just come here, the shape outline. We don't need an outline, it should be transparent. And then the shape fill, you also need transparent. Okay, so after doing that, we just copy the whole of this. Copy, paste. So here you can bold it now. So click on it, bold it. That's the name of the school, so it should be bold. 16 is okay. It should be at the center, right? It can be here. Then here, that's the location. So location. Currently we are located at Apuomo, Upper East. We are also located in Ashanti region. Okay, Erida is a company located in Ashanti region. So if you want more information, we are there. So we can add the address and the telephone number. It depends on you. Okay, so let me add location address. So assuming PO Box 4-5. Okay, then you can add the last thing. You can add the telephone number. Yes, you can add it to it. So I will copy the whole of this. Copy, Ctrl C, select and copy. and paste. So I'll change here to be telephone, and I'll write my number 02490203004. Let's view it and see how the form look like, the report look like. Okay, not bad. So let's add a rectangle so that it will make the form look like. So let's go to design view and let's add a rectangle rather. So go to the report design and come to the toolbar and locate a triangle, a rectangle, okay, and draw it nicely. Then right click on here, go to position, send to front, send to back, and then give it a, go to format. The shape fill is transparent, and then the outline, give it this outline, and the outline color should be black. Let's view the form and see how it is looking. Okay, it's not bad. So go to design view. Let's make this form a pop-up form, so that a pop-up report. So click here and go to pop-up. Should be yes. Okay, so whenever you it will appear like a pop-up. Okay, like a pop-up form. Okay, so now right click and go to design view. Let's give it a name, student report. Okay, so we are going to bring the details. So you can close the property sheet and go to add existing field, show table. We are going to bring we need to work on close this, actually be on the query rather, and then add existing. Okay, be on the query. If you be on the query, you can add the various details. Okay, so first of all, we need the student ID. So click on it, and we need the student name. So bring them to the top. It should be here. Okay, now go for the other details. The ID should come. The last name, first name, all of them. You guys will be clicking on them. Click on them. So I'm doing for all of them. So for the photo weight, so let's scroll down and bring them all. So select all of this and send it to the top. So select the whole of this, including it should contain the father. I believe all things is being selected. So if it's been selected, right click on it, set the size to widest, set it to widest. Okay, so come and select the whole of the. So the whole of this, and then you can increase the size. Increase the size. Select all of them, and then right click. The alignment should be left, so that they have the same alignment. Okay. So select the whole of here and bold it. Go to format and bold it. This one. Give it the shape fill. Give it a transparent color. In the outline, give it a this. That's gonna should be black. It's too deep. This thing is too deep, so let's select the whole of this again, and the outline, give it the thickness is too much. Select this. Okay, so let's view the report and see. So look at it. This is the first student. The first student is this. So look at the second student. Very nice. Very nice, right? So let's work on it again. So right click and go to design view. And now let's select the whole of this. Let's select the whole of this and send it to here. Now select the whole of here and put it at the format should be in the middle. It should be in the middle. Okay, it should be like this. It's okay. It's okay like this. It's okay. So let's add the picture. Take the picture. This one you don't need this again. You can delete it. So delete. Let's resize it. So go to the shape outline, give it a black color, and the outline should be, the thickness should be this. Okay, then it should be stretched. So go to font report design, go to property sheet, and then this picture should be stretched. It should be stretched. That's nice. Okay, so now we want to add some label over here. So shift this one downwards. Let them go downwards. So I will select the whole of this and bring them downwards. So I can put a heading over there. Select this one. Bring it downwards. It's okay. So go to label. This is a label. And draw a label here. And this label is student referential. Student referential. Okay, so bold it, go to the format and also bold it. Copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then bring it here. No, undo, move, select this one and bring it here. Here write student referential, add X to it. Here write personal information. information. Let's view the form and see the reports and see how it look like. Our report is looking nice. So this is the first report, because the query is for 2 students, so we see that it's only brings 2 students. Okay, so how do you remove this? I've taught you that, so we'll stop over here and then we'll continue. Okay, the spacing is very bad, so let's work on the spacing. Spacing is too big, it's not nice, doesn't make our work look professional. So you can so let's view the report and see. Okay, so we'll pause over here and we'll continue. We'll look at how to put a print option over here, which can enable us to print, so that we can preview and then we can print out. So because you have only 2 students, that is why. Okay, thank you. Save your work. See you in the next lesson. So you'll be prompted to save your work. So this is what I will say. So then report. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment and share the video. We have a lot of amazing stuff for you. The master class is loading.
Please subscribe to this channel. Like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.